Hey guys, it's Tyler, and I got this whole fire alarm board. Last time you noticed, it was only these, and now I got some of these. This we don't know how to screw it to the thing, so it's wobbly right now. So we got 40, 59, 20 or a T-bar, and we got a Spectre Alert speaker strobe that's only connected to the strobe. And then we got BG12 regular because this has a hex wrench. And the BG12L, it has a key, so this is only connected to the strobe too. So without further ado, here we go. Starting with our T-bar. 40, 59, 20 dual dash T-bar. It's not that one. We're gonna do this one after this, and then we're gonna do them both at the same time. Where's the keys? Now we're gonna reset. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. And this, it's open right now because I lost the Allen wrench. So without further ado, here we go. Now,
shut the lights off, do both start.
So now we're going to do them both at the same time with lights out. Then we'll do one at a time with lights out again. So, without further ado, here we go.
Cool.
Now we're going to do one at a time with lights out. Starting with, we're going to start with this. Okay, so reset this, and then we're going to do this with light out.
No, you don't need to turn it back on.
Thanks for watching this video. Write, comment, and subscribe. Write, comment, and subscribe. Bye.